Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add WooCommerce group products. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over right here to your products and click on this add new. So let's head over and click on that, and then from in there you should be able to add a new product, and on this new product we will make this a group product. So you can name it whatever you like, and then from there scroll down and you can see here the product data. So click on that and just choose your group product. Then you can see this right here. So this actually are an inventory, catalog mode, and everything right here. So what we can do in this case is let's just head over and put in here an inventory of 1,000, then click on publish right here. Once you have published this particular product, we should be able to see some few more options or buttons that will appear once it's been published. Now you can see this add new option right here. So head over and click on this add new. Now you can head over and add a child product to this parent product of school set. So for example, right here, let's name this pencil and then scroll down. And then as you can see, it will be added as a group product or simple product on the group. So let's head over and then just put in here the general, like for example, the inventory. So let's put 1,000 right here. Make sure it's in stock. On the shipping, let's put in here a shipping class or anything that you want. And then just put in here the details that you would normally put on a simple product. And also add attributes, link products, and all of those right here. And then in here, you can also add a media that you can use as a placeholder for this particular product image. Click on this set product image, and then you can see the media library that you have. So you can upload files or search for media that you want to use for this case. So let me upload in here a file. Here it is, and I'll just upload it right here. Once it's been uploaded, you can set as your product image. Click on this right here in order to set it, and once you have done that, click on this publish. As you can see it on the catalog visibility and the likes as well. So just publish it randomly just like this one. Now let's head back to our school set, which is our parent product. Now let's scroll onto that and click on this link products right here and search in here for a product. So in here, let's search in here for pencil. And then once you have seen pencil right here, click on that. And then it will be added and linked to this particular product. So head over and click on this update option. And then from in there, you should be able to create your now group products. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.